Maitei Singbu Hanagi Mayumda Halanduna Manipurdagi Assam Rifles Lautokadabani Haina Bangalore Karnataka Maitei Association na demand tawduna protest tawkhre Thatara Manga Helaklaba conflict asigi waroisin central amadi state government na purao haina tongan ba demand manga Karnataka Maitei Association na tawrakle Makhoi sing adude Maitei Singbu Hanagi Mayumda Hanjil Hanba Assam Rifles puna Manipurdagi lauthokduna BSF natraga CRPF na mahusilanba Buffer zone punamak dismantle tauba NRC amadi border fencing loinana Maitei sing the ST status PU haiduna Karnataka Maitei Association na demand tarakle makha tarakpoina Bangalore da pangthokiba miyoi kayana saruk yakiba protest aduda implement NRC in Manipur government of India stop siding with Kuki Manipur gi apunbugi saktam kaibe yaroi Kuki militant down we demand ST for Maitei haibna jingba slogan sing asi laukhe
We want cooking militants. Cooking militants. Illegal immigrants. Illegal immigrants. Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Manipuri mana? Manipuri mana? Manipuri sabta. Manipuri sabta. Manipur ka sampai bersih tahu. Manipur ka sampai bersih tahu. India lekan na cooking militancy ki support hoga. India lekan na cooking militancy ki support hoga. Manipur ka NRC.
And you perceive indifference over your time for a more concrete and targeted approach to resolve the situations. The ethnic unrest that began on the unfortunate day of May 3, 2023 continued to engulf the entire state. Many life has been lost, many houses have been burned down, and many people are languishing in relief camp with no proper hope for the future. We used to remind the world that the people of Manipur hold no ill towards the old Kukis who had lived harmoniously with the various communities in Manipur for many years. However, we reinstate the displaced Meiteis, facilitate the safe return of the displaced Meiteis to their original homes, withdraw Assam Rifles from Manipur. We demand the immediate withdrawal of Assam Rifles due to their misconduct and bias toward Kuki militants since May 3. Dismantle imaginary buffer zone, remove the artificial division within Manipur and that create unnecessary separations, implement NRC and proper border fencing, ensure proper border fencing of the security forces, excluding Assam Rifles for border protections, grant settled tribe status for Manipur, restore ST status for Manipur to provide constitutionally protection of our land against the foreign encroachment. Thank you.